This is Burlington, Northern and Santa Fe, Beacon Island Railroad, Bascule Bridge, built in 1929. Alp type train, pointy plate truss, Bascule Bridge, plate girder, built in 1929, and it crosses the Middle River, located in the Middle River, California. You see this is the second one right there, and it's still in use for rail traffic. Yep. So when it raises, the conduit goes in the opposite direction. It goes down on the incline track right here. That's the incline track, and you get all the pieces, the mechanism of this bridge. Yep. So it's located in Middle River, California. So